Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one as it pulled back quite a bit. Actually broke down below that green line there, which is going to prompt the first little update here that needs to be done. And going to go ahead and adjust this area of support now down to that 89-cent mark, which gave quite a bit of data showing that there were plenty of people that were willing and wanting to buy whenever the price got down around that area. But the one thing to note there is that, you saw the direction of that needed to be done, right? You saw the direction of that support. It did need to be adjusted in the downwards direction. And, that is one of those situations where, yeah, not the greatest sign. Doesn't mean it's the end of the world. No, absolutely not, because it's not like the price is down at these lows. But if anything, as a general rule of thumb, you want to see levels of support need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, not in the downwards direction. So again, just because I adjusted that green line down doesn't mean that everything's destroyed. It's just certainly not, the preferable situation that you would want to see from the support side of things. But now 89, definitely very, very important, because if the price were to drop down below there, then at that point, you're essentially right back to where the price was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that explode upwards to then just go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of genuine power. Now, if this level does continue to hold and then eventually the price curls back upwards, where some of these areas of resistance at, yes, you still do have the overarching area of resistance up there, that trend line. But before you really put too much emphasis on that at all, it's going to be about that purple line there and whether or not the price can push up through there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50 period moving average. So keep an eye on that too. But all in all, yeah, not the greatest way to start off the week, but still 4 days left, so let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.